We're back with a brand new product. This time we're talking about Vevor's heat sink, heat press, shirt maker, mug maker. Let's open this up and see what comes inside. Now this is a 6-in-1 device. More about that in a second. But if you've ever wanted to make your own shirts, your own like kind of mugs and things like that with your own logos, artwork, and design, then this heat press machine is right for you. Off the top we have a manual. One box. Two box. Three box. And what appears to be the actual machine. Some additional parts. I believe. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the box. So this is the machine here. I would imagine this is the one for mugs. Maybe that's for like hats. Here. Another one. I was one in a box and one wasn't. Okay. Feeling that works together with this one here. A lot of really cool items and parts in here. I'm guessing this is the part for the shirts. Okay. Like for instance, so I'm guessing this is the top piece here for the shirts, and then let's look at the manual and see what else we have going on. So first things first, we install the handle. Okay. The idea being that the handle pushes down the heater, which is nice. Okay, so the feet pull out off the sides to give it good support. Okay. I did not realize these were permanent. Once you've installed that, you can then take this unit here. Ooh, let's get a better view. Screw cap in place. Then you get a power cord here. Once it's on, you have a little knob here that you can adjust your settings on. So it's pretty straightforward how this is going to work. You're going to place these mats here. It's a heat blanket and a sponge on top of the wood. And then you're going to place your shirt on here with the heat transfer paper on top. Once you've got that, you're going to adjust the height. You can use the screw on the back to secure it once you do. And then you'll place the press down to start the process. The way the machine works is you turn it on, you set the heat that's needed. You can adjust that up and down with this scroller. As you can see there, the temperature is rising and dropping. Once you've got that set, you can actually immediately start the countdown for the shirt, how many seconds you want it to go, by putting the handle down. You can also do it by just pushing the start button. And what that's going to do is that's going to produce the heating element, heating up and putting the heat down onto the pattern. Once you lift up, it'll turn off the countdown and it'll stop. You can turn off the whole unit by just hitting the power button off long enough. And then if you want to, say, for instance, swap out the shirt icon option for a different version, you can always swap them around with these units here. This gets installed in the top, this gets installed in the bottom, and then this is for making hats. So this is your second option for the unit. This is the larger one for the 11-ounce mugs. This would get installed with this. And then this one here for above. Then, of course, they get actually installed on the top and bottom of the unit, and then allows this heating element to then get plugged into the top and then heat up to seal onto 11-ounce mugs. That's option number 3. Same thing with this one, but this is a much smaller one. This is designed specifically for the 9-ounce mugs. That's option number 4. And then we've got the 2 sponges here specifically to be used with this model for the purposes of plates. You have 2 different settings on this. You've got your larger ring, and you've got your smaller ring, and you use these with plates. So what you do is you put this under the plate, put the pattern on top, put the plate on top, place it in there, and then push down the machine on it. The machine heats up the plate then heats up the heat transfer, then places the image that you wanted on the bottom or the flat part of the inside of the plate. So that's a really cool option for anybody who's trying to, you know, make some items, maybe Christmas gifts, maybe birthday gifts, things like that. It's really cool. We're going to take this now. We're going to set this up and actually make a shirt and show you how that works, and we'll be right back. Hopefully you guys found that video helpful and you're well on your way to making your own shirts for your next holiday gift. And we will see you guys next time.